In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up PayPal recurring invoices. If you send the same invoice on a regular schedule, setting up a recurring invoice series can save you a lot of time and help you stay organized. Instead of creating a new invoice manually every time, PayPal can handle the repetition for you. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to select so you can get everything set up smoothly. To begin, log into your PayPal account and go to the Send and Request section. This is where PayPal groups together several payment-related tools, including invoicing. Once you're there, look for the More option. Selecting More will open up additional features that may not appear right away on the main screen. From that menu, choose Invoice. This will take you to the invoicing area of your account. Here you'll be able to see your existing invoices, which is helpful if you've sent invoices before and want to keep track of what's already been created. This section acts as your main invoice dashboard, so it's where you'll return anytime you need to review, edit, or create invoices. Next, go to the top right corner and click Create New. After that, select Recurring Series. This is the key option you'll use when you want PayPal to send invoices automatically on an ongoing schedule rather than as a one-time request. Choosing a recurring series helps streamline repeat billing, especially for subscriptions, monthly services, or clients you invoice on a predictable basis. Now you can enter the details of the recurring invoice. Take your time here and make sure everything is correct. You'll want to fill in the invoice information carefully so the series runs properly once it's active. Double-check the billing details, the schedule, and the amount before moving forward. Accuracy at this stage helps avoid confusion later and makes the process much smoother for both you and the person receiving the invoice. Once those recurring invoice details are entered, you're all set. Your recurring invoice series will be ready to handle repeat billing automatically, which can make your workflow much more efficient. That's it for setting up PayPal recurring invoices. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to review the invoice settings one more time before finalizing, just to make sure everything looks the way you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.